Welcome back to the Daily Grind. So I just want to show you why I overplant all my veggies. So this is a romaine lettuce, and here I have written down it's supposed to be 6-inch spacing. This is not 6 inches. There's a bunch of these that are like 3 inches, 2 inches away from each other. As you can see, they're starting to grow into each other. This is getting big enough that taking up each other's space. It's time to thin them out. And that's why I overseed, because otherwise you could put a seed, a couple seeds or whatever, and then you don't get the opportunity to be able to harvest extra. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna come through in the next week or so. So now I've got a little mini salad. I can pull this up, and there we go. I've got some greens I can, chop up, put on a sandwich or whatnot, and that'll allow this to grow a little bigger. We'll let that one be. We can end up pulling this one and then pull the next one, and thin these out to where they're not impeding each other's growth. As most of us have a small raised bed that we're working on, and we don't have acres and acres to be able to grow a ton of lettuce. And being able to pull this up and get some greens in between waiting for the full harvest really helps. I'm going to take this in. We're actually going to have tacos tonight. I'm going to chop this up into some lettuce for the tacos. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. I will see you guys in the next video. Now, you guys try to escape the daily grind.